Hello everyone. Today we'll see the accounts of class 12. Problem number 9, chapter 1, Introduction to Partnership and Partnership Final Account. Here is the problem given on page number 61. You can see in the question, Sun and Moon are the partners in the partnership firm sharing profits and losses equally. You are required to give the effects of adjustment with the help of the following information. So the trial balance is given, adjustments are given, and lastly it is written that you are required to prepare balance sheet and partners current account only. So you have to prepare balance sheet and partners current account. So first of all, accounts can be prepared in the books of Sun and Moon with debit and credit side, partners current account and balance sheet as on 31st March 2019. We'll mark out the adjustments first. The very first adjustment is partners entitled to get salary of 6,000. So it will not marked up. Depreciate land and building, furniture, machinery. So 3 of it is depreciated. Land and building, mark it up. Furniture is second item and machinery is the third item. The next is interest on capital, which is not marked. Closing stock is also not marked. Wages include as an advance to the worker, so mark out wages in the trial balance. The next is interest due but not paid, that is outstanding interest, which will be not marked. And last is total net profit, it will not marked here. Okay, so in this way your markings will be done. The next step is to transfer the items from the trial balance to the respective accounts. I have written it for you. The first item, land and building. So balance sheet asset side in the inner column as it follows the adjustment. Next is furniture, balance sheet asset side inner column as it follows the adjustments. Machinery again in the inner column, balance sheet asset side. Next is goodwill. Goodwill, balance sheet asset side, directly to the outer column. Wages goes to the trading account debit side, but we don't have trading account, so we will not transfer this wages. Current account, Moon, so partners current account debit side. Next is 8% debentures, balance sheet asset side in the inner column as it follows the hidden adjustment. Next is provident fund investment. It is investment, so balance sheet asset side. Stock of postal stamp, balance sheet asset side. Next is capital. Balance sheet liability side, we will directly write to the outer column. Next is current account, Sun. So partners current account credit side. Sundry creditors, balance sheet liability side. Bank overdraft, balance sheet liability side. Reserve fund, balance sheet liability. Provident fund, balance sheet liability side. So in this way you have transferred all the items to the partner's current account and balance sheet. Adjustment 1 says partners are entitled to get salary of rupees 6,000 per annum in addition to their profits and losses. Here, as we are preparing partners current account, so partners salary will be transferred to partners current account credit side, writing by profit and loss account. Sun rupees 6,000 and Moon rupees 6,000. So in this way, partners capital account credit side, profit by profit and loss account. In Sun's column 6,000, for Moon 6,000. It is nothing but partners salary. Adjustment 2, depreciation on land and building, furniture and machinery at 10%, 5% and 3%. So for land and building it is 10%. Land and buildings amount, here you can see 40,000 amount is given, and we have written it out in the asset side of balance sheet. So 40,000 10% depreciation means we'll calculate it. Cancel this two zeros. Here this two zeros and 40,000 two zeros will be cancelled. What is remain? Sorry, here cancel this two zeros and this two zeros. This 400 into 10, that is 4,000. So 4,000 is the amount of depreciation that we will deduct from land and buildings amount in the balance sheet asset side. The next is depreciation on furniture. It carries 5% depreciation. The amount of furniture is 18,000. So 5% means 5 upon 100. Cancel this two zeros here in the 18,000. This two zeros. What remains is 180 into 5. So multiply it. 900 is the amount of depreciation that we will deduct from furniture amount in the balance sheet. Again, machinery's depreciation is 3%, but in the machinery, in the question it was written that machinery is purchased on 1/7/2018 rupees 40,000. 1/7/2018 means 1/7/2018 to 31st of March 2019. 7 means July. So count from July to March. It goes for 9 months. So we'll calculate depreciation for 9 months on machinery. The amount of machinery is 40,000 again. 3% means 3 upon 100, and for 9 months means 9 upon 12. So calculate it. Cancel this two zeros and this two zeros. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4. Remains this two zeros, that is 100 into 3 into 3. So it becomes 900. So 900's depreciation amount that we deduct from machinery amount in the asset of balance sheet. In this way, land and building less depreciation 10%, that is 4,000. 40,000 minus 4,000 gets 36. Again, furniture less depreciation 900, we will get 17,100. Machinery's amount is already written, less depreciation at 3%, that we got 9%. So 40,000 minus 900 is 39,100. Here, as we are not preparing profit and loss account, so no second effect. Adjustment number 3, interest on capital at 5% per annum. Interest on capital, we are only preparing partner's current account. So interest on capital at 5% per annum goes to the credit of partner's capital account. But we have to calculate it. The amount of capital is given 33,500 for both the partners. So it's 500. 33,500 5%. Calculate it. Cancel this two zeros, this two zeros. 3335 into 5. How much you'll get? 1675 for first partner and 1675 for second partner. So it will be transferred to the credit of partner's capital account in this way. By profit and loss account, 1675 for sun and 1675 for moon, interest on capital. Adjustment 4 says closing stock is rupees 60,743. Assets balance sheet, closing stock 60,743, which is written here in the asset side of balance sheet. Closing stock 60,743. Next, adjustment 5. Wages included rupees 1,000 as advance given to workers. Advance goes to asset side, so to the asset of balance sheet as advance to workers rupees 1000. Adjustment number 6, interest due but not paid. It is nothing but outstanding interest, and whatever is outstanding we write it to the liability. Outstanding interest rupees 800. Next is adjustment 7, total net profit amounted to rupees 38,113. Net profit is nothing but the closing balance of profit and loss account. So it is transferred to the partner's capital account, partner's current account credit side, as we are preparing partner's current account. So as we are following fixed capital method, so to the credit side of partner's capital account, writing by profit and loss account. But here the total profit, net profit amount is given, which is to be distributed among two of the partners, and as the partners are sharing profits and losses equally, so it will be equally divided. Therefore 38,113 into 1 upon 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, remains 1, it gets 18, 2 9s are 18. You have to take 11 together, so put a 0. 2 5s are 10, remains 1 again. 2 6s are 12, remains 1. 0. 2 5s are 10. Whenever the answer comes in the decimal, we have to adjust it to get the total amount. So see after adding whether we get the amount total properly or not. 19056 plus 19056. Add it. 6 plus 6 12. So unit number we get as 2, but we need unit number as 3. So we will adjust one of it. It means 19056. So another will be 19057. When we add both of the numbers, we will get the total net profit. So 19056 for sun and 19057 for moon. As we are transferring to the credit side of partner's capital account by profit and loss account, sharing net profit 19056 for sun and 19057 for moon. Hidden adjustment. Here in the question you can see 8% debentures 8,000, which was purchased on 1/10/2018. It means the interest on the debenture is outstanding. So what we do with the outstanding interest? We used to add in the 8% debentures to the asset side of balance sheet. But we have to calculate the interest on it. 8,000 into 8 upon 100, and for how many months? From 1/10/2018 to 31st of March 2018. How many months? 1/10 means October, November, December, January, February, March. It is for 6 months. So 6 upon 12. Again calculate it. Cancel this 2 zeros. This 2 zeros will be cancelled. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 12. 2 8s are 12. 2 6s are 12, sorry. Then 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So 80 into 4, how much? 320. So 320 is the amount of interest which is outstanding on debentures. So it will be added here. Add outstanding interest 320 rupees. 8,000 plus 320 gets 8,320. So we have completed all the adjustments. Now go for the closings. Here we are having partner's current account. Take the total of credit side, both the sides. Credit sides, sorry, take the total of moon of both the sides. So credit side's total is 26,732, which is transferred to the debit side of moon's column. 26,732 minus 4,000 gets 22,732, and which is called as, which is nothing but the balance. So we'll write to balance carried down. It should not be brought down but carried down, CD. In the same way, we will close son's column. Take the total of credit side, it is bigger, so it is nothing but 32,731. Transfer the same to the debit side of son's column, 32,731. Here nothing is there to deduct, so the same amount will come up, 32,731. This is the closing balance of partner's account, which will be transferred to the balance sheet. Writing current account, son's balance 32,731 and moon's balance 22,732. After this, we will close balance sheet, take the total of outer column of asset side, outer column of liabilities. The total is 1,68,263, and the total of liability side is also 1,68,263. So it tallies. In this way, your solution will be, here is your partner's current account and this is your balance sheet with some adjustments, with some working notes. So that's it about this problem.